Good evening viewers, welcome again to the Smart Learning French Language class. In today's topic, I'll be discussing mainly some special type of verbs and I'll be showing you how to conjugate and I'll be showing you a list of similar verbs which are following the same rule for the conjugation in French grammar. Before starting today's session, please permit me to let you know that I have launched a French communicative course. This is a short-term course and totally online course. You can join the course and you can continue or follow the course comfortably at home. Okay. And this course, communicative part, this communicative course will be giving you a very good coverage regarding the French communicative part or communicative aspect of the language. And this course will be very much helpful for the students of all levels. The students who are interested to continue their higher studies in France itself or any other French-speaking countries, or the persons who are interested to visit France or any other French-speaking countries for the official purpose or for the purpose of business, they will also be benefited from this course. This course is a very effective course. And if you want the personal guidance, you may contact me. If you are interested to join this course, you may contact me. My contact details are given in the video description. Okay. And before starting today's topic, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel, you can get it first. I'll also request to like and share the video lesson. One like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. Let's start today's topic. It's a very interesting topic. Special characteristic of the special verbs in the French grammar. Okay, thank you. I thank to all of my subscribers who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. Let's start today's topic. First time I am showing you prefere. This is a very important verb, common year-ending verb, but they are following some special tricks in conjugation. Okay, that special tricks I am showing you. Prefere means to prefer. First you see, I am conjugating the je préfère. That is the first E, that is accent, first accent. That is on first E is original as per root verb, but in second E, that is the accent becoming grave accent. That is accent aigu is changing to accent grave. Okay, je préfère, tu préfères. That means this type of verb are following some special tricks in their conjugation. Je préfère, tu préfères. Elle préfère. Je préfère, tu préfères, il préfère, elle préfère. All these are same change. Okay. Nous préférons. Nous préférons. Vous préférez. In these two cases, nous and vous, that is préférons, préférez. That is the original root verb form is there. That is, there is no change in case of accent. Okay. Both the E containing the accent aigu as per root verb. Okay. Nous préférons, vous préférez. And the third person plural, again the change comes. Il and elle. Préfère. Okay. This is the total conjugation for the verb préférer. It is special tricks are involved in conjugation. Je préfère, tu préfères, il préfère, elle préfère, nous préférons, vous préférez, il préfère, elle préfère. Okay, this is the pronunciation for the total conjugation. Okay, please take down in your copy. I am showing you this type of verb. Some other examples of this category. That is, some other examples, the verbs which are following the same rule, 100% same rule in conjugation. Okay. Next verb is célébrer. Célébrer. Célébrer means to celebrate. To celebrate. Okay. They are also following this. This verb is also following the same rule. Je célèbre. Tu célèbre. Okay. That is the first accent on E, that is accent aigu, and second accent is changing to accent grave. Okay, in both the cases. And il and L, these are also the same change. Il célèbre, elle célèbre. Okay. Nous célébrons vous célébrez. Here, see, just notice one thing, that is the accents are not changing. Accents are similar as per root verb. Okay, nous célébrons, vous célébrez. And in third person plural, il célèbre, elle célèbre. Okay, the same thing or same changes come. Okay, that is célèbre, il célèbre, elle célèbre. I am pronouncing once again, je célèbre, tu célèbres, il célèbre, elle célèbre. Nous célébrons, vous célébrez, il célèbre, elle célèbre. Okay, is the 100% similar rule this verb is following in conjugation. Okay, it is like the verb prefere, which I have already shown. Now I am showing you another verb, 100% similar in conjugation, espérer. Okay, espérer means to hope. To hope is the English meaning. Okay, just follow the rule. J'espère. J'espère means here je espère, but I am not repeating E. J-E I am not repeating. This is one E is erased and it becomes apostrophe. J'espère. Tu espères. Tu espères. Okay. Il, elle espère. Nous espérons. Vous espérez. Here the accent order is same as per root verb. Okay. And in third person plural, il, elle. J'espère. Okay. That's all for the verb espérer, to hope. I am pronouncing once again from the top to bottom. That is, j'espère, tu espères, il espère, elle espère, nous espérons, vous espérez, ils espèrent, elles espèrent. Okay? This is 100% similar verb like prefere, célébrer, etc. Now the last verb I am giving you, the verb is repete. Repete. Repete means to, English meaning to repeat. This is the English meaning. This verb is 100% similar, just I am showing you, je répète. Tu répètes. Je répète, tu répètes. Il, elle répète. Okay. Nous répétons. Vous répétez. Here you see, in nous and vous, the original order of the accents are maintained. Okay, but in je répète, tu répètes, il répète, elle répète, the accents order are changing. That is the first accent on first E, that is the accent aigu as per root verb, but second accent is changing to accent grave. Okay, je répète, tu répètes, il répète, elle répète, nous répétons, vous répétez. Now, in third person plural, the same rule is coming as per previous verbs, that is the répète. Is the changing accent grave and but all these verbs are common year ending category, but they have some special tricks regarding conjugation. Okay, in today's class we have completed 4 verbs, that is prefere, célébrer, espérer and repete. Okay, and these verbs are following the same rule, 100% same, and if you get this type of verbs, they are following the same rule and 100% same rules are followed for the purpose of conjugation. This is the main thing. Okay, that's all for the today's class. And I'll be coming with a next grammatical topic and new grammatical topic of the French grammar in the next video lesson or video class. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the class.